Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Dove Trades. We are now live on Euro USD, Euro JPY and Euro GBP. I might add additional charts because we are going to be using a 1 minute trading strategy. It's very simple, the setup is very simple. As you can see, I've already drawn some key resistance support levels already. So once the price reaches this levels, it's gonna take a quick retracement for very minimum period of time. So that's when we'll be entering for a 1 minute trade. So I will give you some examples. So until then, let's just wait and I'll skip forward the video. So guys, as you can see, I've taken a trade right now. The reason why I took this trade is because the price has reached the resistance level and has moved above it. So let's just wait and see if our trade goes according to our analysis. Yes guys, so our first trade was a profitable trade. Like I said, once the price reaches beyond the resistance level, there are going to be sellers present over here who would like to buy at this price or sell at this price. I'm sorry. So as soon as the market hits here, as you can see, the moment was also very strong. So the market needed some kind of retracement. So this is when the smaller minor retracements takes place. So this is the best area for us to take a quick 1 minute trade. So let's see how the other three trades goes. So guys, we have taken another trade, second trade. As you can see, the market broke the structure over here and is falling very steeply. So I believe that there should be a little retracement over here. Let's wait and see how this trade goes. And it was a profitable trade, guys. So I'd like to end my session here, guys, because I have also set a rule that 3 consecutive wins and I will be out of the trading session. So morning 1 and evening 2 trades we have already won back to back. So it's a 3 consecutive wins. So we will end our session here. So the setup was very simple again. As you can see, our first trade I explained you, and the second trade, as you can see, the market broke the trend line over here, broke the structure, which is the previous trend was broken here. As you can see with a big red candle, we could have taken trades here, but I did not see any kind of strong support from buyers, so which I was not sure. So that's the reason I ignored the trade here. However, we could have taken a trade here, but since it was uptrend, maybe I thought it could have been a false breakout, so I did not want to take a risk and go for a safer trade. So that's the reason I waited for market to break this level, which was the previous low. So once the market breaks, I'm sure there is going to be quite support from the previous low area. So that's the reason I waited for the market to completely reach as low as possible and then open the trade so that we have a safe retracement trade. So that is it for today's session, guys. As you can see, my profit has moved to 6,906. So that is it, and tomorrow I will be coming back with another two videos where we will be dividing our total capital into 5% and break that down into 5 trades. So that is it for today's session, guys. Thank you and have a wonderful night. Good night, guys. Bye.